How to create your DSers account step by step. First, head over to the official DSers registration page. This is DSers register URL. You can enter this URL and create DSers account. There will be a simple sign-up form right here. You'll need to fill in 2 pieces of information, email address and a password. For the email, make sure you use an address that has never been registered with DSers before. Next, create a strong password. DSers has 4 specific requirements. Make sure your password meets all of them. Once everything checks out, click the Get Started button. That will move you forward to the next step. On the next page, you'll choose your e-commerce platform. DSers supports Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, and other major platforms. Just click on the platform you're using. DSers will automatically trigger the install pop-up. Click the Install button. You'll be redirected to your store's dashboard to complete the authorization. For example, if you're using Shopify, just click Install. That authorizes DSers within your Shopify store. Once the installation is complete, the page switches back to DSers. You'll see a confirmation here. It verifies that your store is correctly linked to your new DSers account. After that, DSers will suggest a few hot-selling products. You can import these directly into your import list. There's also a quick demo video. It shows DSers' basic features. Feel free to watch it, or you can skip it. Now you'll land on DSers' pricing page. DSers offers 4 different plans. Basic is completely free to use. For now, let's select the basic plan. And just like that, you're in. You'll see a few pop-ups and demo videos. They help you get acquainted with the interface. You can also connect DSers from your Shopify store. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Find the Apps button on the left sidebar. Click on it. You'll see a search bar at the top of the Apps page. Type DSers into the search box. Select the first result that appears. Shopify will automatically redirect you to the Install page. Click the Install button to continue. At this point, DSers will automatically create an account for you. It uses the email address associated with your Shopify store. Once confirmed, you'll be taken to the next screen. You'll see a selection of hot-selling products. You can choose to add them to your DSers import list. From here on, the process is exactly the same. It's identical to the registration flow from the DSers website. And that's it. You've successfully connected DSers from your Shopify store. Great work! That wraps up this lesson. Thanks for learning with DSers.